have really dry 4C hair, kind of looking like mine right now? Well, hang on here. I'll be showing you exactly how I moisturize my very dry 4C hair coming up in this video. Welcome to New Growth Naturals Hub. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you my moisture routine, and I have a little help. By the way, if you're joining our channel for the first time, my name is Samantha.
I'm Gary.
Yes, and on this channel, we post videos on how to care for your natural hairstyles, and so much more. So if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, go ahead, subscribe below, and let's jump into what this video will be all about. So to moisturize my hair, I'll be using this is the Taliah waajid apple and aloe leave-in conditioner. I sort of add water to this for it to be more liquidy. Yeah. And I'm also going to be using our Shea butter recipe. Yeah. Whip that up by myself. If you want to see how I did this, because this product really works to help me retaining the moisture, I'm going to leave the video in the description because we actually did that video. Or maybe I'll put a link to it right here. Anyways, let's move on. So I wear my hair, let me give you a brief history. I wear my hair in a puff today. Quite unlike me, I never really worn my hair out like this ever. I'm always protective styling, but it started to look cute, and then my hair was in twist before and it didn't look so right, and I had to go to church today. So I started to put it up in a puff, and it's really dry. Can you hear that? Yeah, really dry and crisp. So now, first thing I'm going to do is take it out. Help me, Gary. Remove this band. Take time. Trying to feel all the, yeah, because our 4C hair can get tangled up in this thing. That's what I had catching up my hair. It wasn't really tight or anything. Yeah. Let me first apologize for looking so tired. It is actually minutes to 12 in the night. We should be in our bed, but you guys know I can't go to bed like this. I just finished a client here. Yeah, I did her hair after church and just finished. So I definitely have to moisturize this hair, put it in a twist to protect it while I sleep. So hence why our face is looking so tired. We are tired. Anyways, so I want to let you know, in order for your hair to be truly moisturized, you need water or a water-based product. When I say water-based, I mean water has to be one of the first 2 or 3 ingredients in that leave-in conditioner or moisturizer product that you're using. Water moisturizes the hair, and then oils and butters are sealant. They seal the moisture in your strand. Hence why I'm using my African Shea butter mix. It has lots of oils in it, plus African Shea butter is awesome for sealing hair. I love this product especially because I work in AC, and that tends to dry my 4C hair out a whole lot, so it does justice to help me retaining the moisture in my strand. And no, I'm not using too much product. My hair literally drinks that up. Tomorrow morning it looks like I never put anything on it. I promised you. Even though you're seeing us using the Taliah waajid apple and aloe leave-in conditioner, it's okay if you only have water. That is even the best moisturizer there is. Also, if you don't, my Shea butter recipe actually have a leave-in conditioner in it. So this step, I'm just doing it because my hair is extra dry, and in order for me to stretch it before I put the product on it, I wanted to, you know, moisturize it a little bit first, because if I try to stretch my hair while it is dry, it's just going to break off. That's just how my hair is. Hence why I'm just spritzing it with a little bit of this product to prep it for, you know, really getting the other products in there. And I'm doing some finger detangling. Notice at this point in time, I'm not using any combs in my hair. This is critical for length retention. My hair is already dry. It is already thick and coily as it is. Me putting a comb through this to detangle is just going to cause breakage. And you don't want to do that, because that is not going to help you to retain any length. So once I get a piece of my hair, I'm just pulling at it once I lightly mist it with some water or my leave-in conditioner. And once I stretch the hair, I apply my Shea Butter leave-in conditioner mix on it. Do my finger detangling while I'm at it, removing any shredded hair that may be in there, feeling for any possible knots, and then I'm just twisting the section. And that's just a way to protect my hair. Alright? I could already hear some of you asking in the comment section, so how many times per week do I need to do this? Well, for me personally, I do this like 3 times of the week. And no, I'm not always retwisting my hair because I mostly have my hair in braids. So I do this, all of this in braids. I don't undo my braids. I just spritz it, put my shea butter mixture on it, and that's it. I wash my hair in braid, deep condition my hair in braid, do everything in braid. If I do that out, then that's what I do, just the same. But I do this 2 to 3 times per week. On the days that I don't do this, I have a spray bottle with just water and a little bit of oil, like olive oil mixed with castor oil in it, and I'll just lightly mist my hair with that throughout the other days that I don't do this routine. Alright, but you can do something completely different based on your hair's porosity. By the way, my hair is medium to low porosity, but this product works awesome for it just the same. I'm not sure if it's because of my work environment or the climate that I'm living in, but you can try, and whatever works for you, you stick to it. So you can try. You don't have to use this Taliah waajid product that like I said before. You can use your favorite leave-in conditioner or just water, but try to make this awesome shea butter recipe. I'm gonna link the video in the description and also to the end of this video so you can watch it if you have never seen that video before. Okay, So we're down to our final section, and I just want to say my hair feels so soft and hydrated. Let me know in the comment section if you actually tried the shea butter recipe, and let me know the results on your hair. How's your hair growth journey going so far? Let me know if you have high porosity, low porosity, or medium porosity hair. Anyways, thanks for watching. Thank you for your company. Let me show you how my hair looks after it is moisturized.